Hi, in this video I'm going to present to you my script that decrypts Electrum's wallet file and extracts all the important data from that file. Also it recreates all the addresses, keys, public keys, etc, etc. So if you are interested how Electrum works under the hood, that script might be helpful. I'm not going to explain exactly how it works. I'm just going to present to you how to use this script, and analysis of that script I'll leave to you. Keep in mind it's just for educational purposes, so this is very simple script, probably contains some bugs, etc., but is fair enough. That is fair enough to understand how this process of creating addresses works. So we're starting with opening Electrum app. I assume you already have downloaded and verified the app. I'm going to create a brand new wallet. Let it be default wallet, standard, yes. Create new seed, correct, okay. And I'm going to copy that seed to a text file and save that file in desktop, on the desktop. Let's name it seed.txt. This is that file, and let's go further. Okay, I have to retype site view coffee land soap away such boat sing surround document and jungle. Did I make mistake? Oh, to E, double E, coffee. Okay, the password will be very simple: 123 123 finish. Yeah, and show the addresses. So basically this is my new wallet, all the addresses here, and I'm going to export the private keys. Export password 123 JSON file and put it onto desktop. Save it, export. Okay, so we have exported private keys. That's how it looks like. That's address, and that's a private key in format called WIF. This is a base 58 structure, encoded structure. You have to decode it and took appropriate bytes to get the private key, and the script does it. So I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the wallet, original wallet. View, show hidden files. It's a home and user alien directory. There is a .electrum directory, wallets, and that's the wallet I just created. Let's open that. As you can see, it is encrypted with this password 123. That's why we don't see anything meaningful here, but don't worry, I'm going to decrypt that. So in order to get my script, you have to go to my website, which is alientechlab.com, and there is a link to my Git repository, and there is a scripts repo, and from this repository I need just one file, which is electrum.wallet.py. Yeah, that's the file. I'm going to download that file. That's the very script. Can't move it to the desktop. I want everything on desktop. And this is how the script looks like. It's not that large, it's not that long, just almost 400 lines, so it's not a big one. Now we have to prepare, if you have not yet prepared that before, the environment to run the script. And there's at the very beginning of the script there is a procedure that tells you what to do. So we're starting with installing pip. Okay, next we need virtual environments. So we have to install them first. Now I have to create my virtual environment to install the Python packages and later to run the script. So I'm going to create it. Maybe I'll do it in desktop. I like desktop folder. And as you can see, there is a vn directory. This directory has been created by this command. And now I have to activate that virtual environment using that command, source and the path. As you can see, there is a short label before the name of the user. That indicates that we are in that virtual environment. And in that environment, we installing base 58, then PyAES. That's a couple cryptographic libraries that must be installed, and this is one of them. Okay, next is ECDSA. Coin curve. And PyCryptodom. Good. So now we're staying in this virtual environment, and now I can run the script, but first I have to change its attributes to edit executable attribute to the Electrum wallet file. And let's look at the script. The script requires a couple things at the beginning. Actually, in the main function at the end of the file, we have to provide a password to the wallet, which is this 123 password. We have to provide path to, we have to provide path to this encrypted wallet file, which is home alien, which is a user, and that Electrum that wallets default underscore wallet. That's the path to the encrypted wallet file. And one of the things that the script does, it decrypts that file, so we can see how the decrypted file looks like. Let's put it on home. This file is created from scratch, created from the encrypted file. Desktop default wallet decrypted JSON. let's name it that because that's actually a JSON file, and this is a file to those exported private keys. The script compares generated addresses and private keys with those exported. So assumption is both things should be identical. So I'm going to copy the name of that file. Right here. Okay, so this is the configuration of the script, and all we need is to just run it, wallet, and I'm going to direct the output to separate file, out.txt. Oh, there's one typo. And another typo, wallet, double L, and it works. Now it works. First of all, the script generated this JSON file, the default wallet decrypted. So this is how the decrypted wallet looks like. To compare with original one, I'll show you. Home, Electrum, wallets, and default wallet. That's encrypted data. That's how those data looks after decryption, decrypting. And despite decryption works, as you can see, some of the parts of this file are still encrypted with the same password, which is seed, for instance, or private key. My script decrypts everything, including those two things, and we can see that by opening the out.txt. That's the output of my script. So as you can see, there is a private key decrypted, the publicly identical Control-C, Control-F and V this is the same public key. Now we can see this is the seed from that encrypted wallet. All the addresses, let's look at this. For instance, the first one, the end is TUC8. TUC8. This is exactly the same address. This is the encoded in base 58 private key, and after decoding base 58 and extracting from WIF structure, this is the raw private key for each of the addresses. From this private key you can generate the public key, from the public key you can generate the address. So all those addresses are recreated from scratch and compared with the one exported. Now I'm not going to talk with details about how this script works. I'll leave it to you as a homework because there is too much of it. But if you are interested how Electrum works, that script and analysis of it may be very helpful to you and save you a lot of time. I figured this out by debugging Electrum, so it took me a long time and many sessions of debugging. So I hope I will save you that time, and there are also links to various websites that provide information about that particular code, or actually a theoretical background for the code. For instance, wallet import format. With format, this is that thing. That's the base 58 encoded with structure, and after decoding base 58 and extracting the data, you can get the private key. For instance, what do we have yet? Yeah, I think the code is quite simple, at least as simple as I could make it. and yeah, just download it, analyze it, and I hope you're gonna learn something from it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.